I can turn this down frame by frame and save one of these pictures. It's fun seeing the ones go up.
I know, right?
Seeing where it goes up at. Oh wow. That one's pretty. Here's another one. Kaboom. Oh, that one's now my favorite. Big orbs. I know. I'm uploading all of this to YouTube after this. Sparkly. That's cool. Just what's left. Floating.
So uploading this to MySpace.
I can do that. No. Yeah.
I'm putting it on YouTube, man.
I can do that from my phone. I'm about to. Can you text the videos to me?
Dude. I don't know if I can text videos.
Well, you can try. Here they go.
There they go.
My bad. All that I recorded before, yeah, it's gone.
What?
All I recorded with the glasses and stuff is gone.
Like, not on there?
Yeah, not on there.
Oh.
Because it locked up while I wasn't paying attention and I lost it. I was so mad. Okay, that was cool. Oh, whoops, I missed it all. Try it again.
That's cool.
Those are like spastic little ones. I love it. Don't say that. It'll go on YouTube.
That's why I'm pausing mine.
Where at least I know I breathe.
There goes
And I won't forget the man who died. Saying, well, the little girls are happy because they're all big and pink. Stand up, you and defend her still.
Sorry for the live bit. They can't see the fireworks.
And somebody's videoing it for them.
Is it over?
No,
Nope.
not yet.
Oh, they still have to do the finale.
There's not been a finale. Watch it be like red, white, and
Every
blue.
fireworks show has a finale. It's like the best part.
Not our fireworks show.
Yeah,
Our fireworks show
every
just
major
go. I think this would be a cool job to have.
Not
Make
enough
these-
fireworks.
Yeah, make these huge fireworks. No, because they make their huge fireworks.
We'll have to make the fireworks, man.
It's very dangerous. They had to keep all the buildings separate.
Yeah.
One goes up, they all go up. There they go.